Hello! To hard reset your Xiaomi Poco X7 through recovery mode, first of all you'll have to turn off your phone, so let's press and hold this power button and let's turn off the phone. Alright, right now we'll have to wait until the phone completely shuts down, and after this, to enter the recovery mode, you will have to press and hold the power button and volume up button until the Poco logo appears, and after this Poco logo appears you will have to release this power button and keep on holding the only volume up button. So right now let me show you how to do this. Let me press and hold these buttons simultaneously until the Poco logo appears. Again, for some reason it's not working, so let's try again. Alright, as you can see the Poco logo appeared, and now we have to release this power button and keep on holding volume up button, and as you can see we are in the recovery mode. So right now, to hard reset our phone, we have to navigate through this using the volume buttons, as you can see, and to confirm we have to use the power key. We have these instructions right here. So let's go into wipe data. Again, scroll down and go into wipe all data, and right here, after we press the confirm button, all data in our phone will be wiped down. The hard reset will begin actually, and yeah, after this hard reset is complete, you'll have to actually reboot your phone from this recovery mode. So you'll have to again go into cancel using the power buttons and press reboot and reboot to system. And right after your phone boots up, you will be forwarded into this first setup screen. So basically the hard reset will be complete. That's how to do it. Thank you for watching.